to practical lesson. Today I will teach you how to apply CSS to our website homepage. So let's start. So first we have to apply CSS to our footer to match this color. What I will do, I will use the inspector tool, developer tool of the Chrome, and I will check out the footer CSS classes. I assume that you are familiar with the CSS. In this CSS class, I will just double click on class name and copy it from the backend. I will go to the system, and from the site templates I will click on edit details and file, select the index.php file, and inside the code that I just written to hide the header for the home page, I have to add the condition using the PHP variable, so that a separate CSS class is added to the home page. I can name the variable footer CSS is equal to, inside the single quote, the name of the class I just added, and I can add the home CSS class, which will be actually going to apply only to the home. And further, I will copy this line of code, and inside the if condition I will paste this condition and will remove this home folder. This variable value will be applied to the other inner pages for the footer CSS classes. Now I will scroll down and find out the footer area, which is here, and I will remove this CSS class, and I will start this PHP code snippet and the name of variable semicolon, question mark, and closing tag of PHP. I will save the file. Back to the front page, refresh the page, press the F12 and right click the footer area to inspect. Now as you can see, the footer has the home footer CSS class also. Next we will create a CSS file, user.css, and we'll add our desired CSS code to that file. So I will close the index.php file and press on the new file, give the name user and file tag to CSS, select the CSS folder and create the file, and in this file I will add the CSS rule home footer, in which I have background color white, background image to none, color to this specific value, and font weight to the bold. I will save the file, back to the site, refresh the page, and our CSS has been applied. Next I will apply CSS background to the body. Save the file. Now rather applying direct CSS to this core module I will go to the module, and inside the advanced tab I have applied a module class. Be sure inside the module class you have given the space at very beginning, so it may not mix with the default class name of module. Green login, I will use this CSS class name inside my editor. User login module, and inside this form we have button which has button HTML tag. May I apply button CSS to be this color. I may add important and color to be white. Save the file, refresh the page. Okay, it has been applied. Now looking much better. Okay, I have also I need to apply magenta to green login module also. Yes. Now after applying the CSS, it is much closer to our demo. So in this practical, I told we have to also apply CSS color to our links. So I will add another CSS rule, green login, anchor tag, and color to these values along important. Save the file, refresh the page, and we are done. May I add color to also remember me text, or simply set the default color for green login audio to this color. Yes. Thus, after applying the CSS, we are much closer to our demo.